Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayashola Ogundele. The NewSpace innovative business analysis mindset and models characterized by rapid prototyping, iteration, value-driven approach, and disruptive technologies. In the 21st century, the NewSpace model, characterized by a shift in the space industry, increased space commercialization, entrepreneurial ventures, and the focus on low-cost access to space is being driven by the development of disruptive technologies, innovative business models, and the demand from various traditional industries such as automobile, agriculture, commerce, shipping, manufacturing, energy, housing, mining, and a host of others. The new space business analysis mindset is characterized by a proactive, problem-solving approach that focuses on leveraging innovative technologies and agile methodologies to thrive in the rapidly evolving space industry. It emphasizes understanding the unique challenges of new space ventures, including navigating complex regulatory landscapes, managing high-risk, high-reward projects, and fostering collaboration across diverse teams and stakeholders. Some of the emphasis of the new space business analytics mindset are data centricity, agility and iteration, customer-focused value creation, and collaboration. The new space business analysis mindset moves beyond simply collecting and analyzing data. It focuses on using data-driven insights to foster rapid iteration, strategic agility, customer satisfaction, and overall business growth in a challenging yet opportunity-rich environment. The new space business model ideas are space as a service, satellite as a service, commercial spaceports, data and analytics, in-orbit servicing, and others. As space as a service, it offers the benefits of space technology without requiring customers to build and operate satellites. The focus points are as follows: business analysis and model, the new space and its activities, the new space business analysis mindset, and the new space innovative business model. Business analysis and model. Business analysis is a process of identifying business needs, defining solutions, and recommending changes to improve organizational outcomes. It involves understanding how an organization functions, what its objectives are, and how to achieve them efficiently. Business analysts use various techniques to analyze business processes, assess risks, and recommend changes or improvements. Ultimately, it's about enabling change within an organization by defining needs and suggesting solutions. The picture here illustrates an artist of a greenhouse in space inside a Nanorack Starlab outpost model. Business analysis and modeling are crucial for understanding a business' current state, identifying areas for improvement, and guiding future directions. The key aspects of business analysis is identification of needs and problems, solutions recommendation, communication facilitation, data analysis, and change driven. The picture here illustrates space station startup's first concept of its first commercial space station. Business analysts investigate an organization's current state, identify areas for improvement, and pinpoint the root causes of problems. Business analysts develop and propose solutions that address and identify needs and problems, often involving process improvements, system changes, or organizational restructuring. SpaceX Crew Dragon endeavor as it approached the International Space Station is illustrated in this picture. The new space and its activities. NewSpace refers to the commercial space industry, characterized by private companies and entrepreneurs developing innovative space-related products and services. The new space represents a shift away from traditional government-dominated space exploration towards a more entrepreneurial and commercially driven approach. This includes companies focused on low-cost access to space, satellite technology, and space-based services. Quantum Space Ranger Orbital Transport Vehicle is illustrated in this picture. Key characteristics of new space are as follows: private sector focus, commercialization, innovation and disruption, low barriers to entry. New space is associated with new technologies, lower cost, and innovative business models in the space industry. It is driven by private companies and entrepreneurs rather than solely by government agencies, and it emphasizes the development of commercially viable products and services which can generate revenue and profit. New space satellite between the cislunar space is illustrated in this picture. The new space business analysis mindset is characterized by adaptability, strategic thinking, and a focus on value creation in a rapidly evolving, technology-driven environment. The mindset involves a proactive approach to problem solving, embracing change, and fostering collaboration to navigate complexities of the new space industry. Artist illustration of space exploration using various space technologies is shown in this picture. The new space business analysis mindset as a way of thinking. The new space mindset is about developing a way of thinking that prioritizes understanding the root cause of issues, optimizing solutions, and ensuring alignment with overarching business goals, in contrary to just following the established procedures. It has the ability to gather, analyze, and model requirements using various techniques and tools, produce documentation that clearly communicates change and communicate effectively with the variety of stakeholders. Artist concept illustrating in-situ resource utilization is shown in this picture. There are various emphases of new space business analysis mindset, and they are as follows: focus on data-driven and informed decisions, proactive data collection and utilization, continuous learning and improvement, informed strategic decisions and alignment, leveraging space data analytics, innovation and optimization through artificial intelligence and machine learning, customer-centric and value-driven approach, reliance on private investment, entrepreneurial and investor-driven, agile and iterative development, continuous learning and improvement, system thinking, problem-solving and innovation. Graphical representation of the challenges associated with increasing longer and farther from Earth space missions being proposed by the new space is illustrated in this picture. Focus on data-driven and informed decisions. Analyzing historical data allows new space companies to forecast future trends and market shifts, identify emerging opportunities, and anticipate potential challenges. Continuous learning and improvement, embracing change, reflecting on feedback, and constantly seeking ways to enhance processes and outcomes are helping evolution of the new space. Artist illustration of International Space Station is shown in this picture. Informed strategic decision and alignment. Advanced analytics help new space to optimize spacecraft design, predict mission success rates, and enhance safety by analyzing datasets on space conditions, material performance, and previous mission outcomes. Customer-centric and value-driven approach focuses on understanding customer needs, preferences, and satisfaction above all. New space companies are designing products and services with the customer in mind, prioritizing their requirements in all aspects of the business. Space recycling concept being proposed by the NewSpace is illustrated in this picture. Agile and iterative development. Through iterative development, NewSpace breaks down a project into smaller, manageable components, testing and refining each component, and then repeating the process until the desired product is achieved. New space companies such as Planet Labs and Agile Space Industries have adopted agile and iterative development practices to accelerate their spacecraft and propulsion system development. Multiplanetary hybrid concept is shown in this picture. The new space innovative business model signifies a shift from traditional government-led space exploration towards a more private, commercial, and innovation-driven approach. It emphasizes cost reduction, private investment, and a focus on generating profit from space-based applications and services. This model fosters collaboration, open ecosystems, and development of new technologies and services for both space and terrestrial applications. Artist concept illustrating in-situ resource utilization is shown in this picture. New space companies often adopt matrix organizational structure, which foster creativity and adaptability, allowing them to quickly respond to market demands and explore new opportunities. It prioritizes the development of space-based applications that can address terrestrial needs and challenges, such as providing internet access to underserved areas, improving weather forecasting, and monitoring environmental changes. Illustration of a pressurized rover on Mars is shown in this picture. The innovative ideas are space as a service, offering the benefits of space technology without requiring customers to build and operate satellites. Satellite as a service, lowering barriers to entry for smaller organizations by providing satellite capabilities without owning infrastructure. Artist illustration of cislunar economy being proposed by the NewSpace is shown in this picture. Commercial spaceports, development of launch facilities and services for private and government entities, data and analytics, leveraging space-based data for various applications such as Earth observation, climate monitoring, and market intelligence. In-orbit servicing, extending satellite lifespan through refueling, repairs, and upgrades. A rendering of quantum space scatter ranging vehicle is illustrated in this picture. The new space business model companies and initiatives are as follows. SpaceX, a leading new space company, which is known for developing reusable rockets and providing launch services for both government and commercial clients. Blue Origin focuses on developing reusable launch vehicles and pursuing space tourism and other commercial space activities. Virgin Galactic specializes in suborbital space flights for tourists. Spire started with educational demonstration satellites and then shifted focus on maritime tracking and climate management applications. SpaceX Crew Dragon Endeavour as it approached International Space Station is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to the New Space Innovative Business Analysis Mindset and Models, characterized by rapid prototyping, iteration, value-driven approach, and disruptive technologies, presented by Dr. Ayashola Ogundele, with a focus point, business analysis and model, the new space and its activities, the new space business analysis mindset, and the new space innovative business model. Thank you.